discussing every day. Yes or no?
Yes, bro.
Okay. So today we're going to be discuss some conditional functions. Okay. So is this clear, let all of you how to build this report?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. So I'm going to here data view. Okay. So there are three types categories, guys. Okay. Three components in Power BI. Okay. This is Power View, Data View, Model View. Okay, remember in interview they'll ask you what are the components in Power BI. Okay, report this Power View, Data View, Model View, and in different way they will ask you. Okay, what is Power Query? What is Power Pivot? Okay, so Power Query is we are going to transform data, right? This is Power Query. Okay, Power Pivot means this modeling is there, right? This modeling part. This is Power Pivot. Power View means this one. Okay, where we can generate the reports. Okay, three types, guys. Power Pivot, Power Query, Power View. Okay, so generally we are talking about data view, model view, right? The same way, Power View means these reports. Okay, Power Pivot means modeling part. Transformation data is nothing but a Power Query. Okay, very important, guys. They'll try to confuse you. What is Power Query? What is Power Pivot? What is Power View? Okay, remember these three. Okay, now I'm going to the data view. So there is a energy consumption table. Okay, this energy consumption table I have. In this energy consumption table, I have some values here. Okay, I have some values. So if you see the values here, so in this value, I have 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 30, nearby 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. I mean the value nearby. Okay. So like this I have. So I want to create a group. Okay. If the value is, for example, here I have values. The values like 4,000 to 5,000. So this will I'll consider as a low. Okay. And if it is 5,000 to 6,000, I'll consider this is as a mid. If the values are 6,000 to 10,000, I'll consider this value as a high.
Sir, you have written 1,000.
Sorry, 10,000. Okay. If it is more than 10,000 to above, okay, it can be 20,000, it can be 30,000, whatever it is. Okay, so I'll consider this one as a big value. So this is how I want to create a bucket, guys. Okay, create a bucket. So what and all 4,000 to 5,000, if the value is there in this column, I want to consider this is as a low. If the value is 5,000 to 6,000, I have to consider as a mid. If the value is 6,000 to 10,000, highest, If 10,000 above, if it is there, this come under big value. Okay, so how to create the bucket? For example, small example I'll show you. Go to the new column. You have to create a new column. New column nothing but a calculated column. Very, very important, guys, this one. Okay, click on calculated column. One new column will be add to your existing table. So you can see here I am giving the name called value bucket. Okay, my column name is a value bucket, or I'll give value group equals to if. Okay, if open bracket, you can see here logical the if condition. When I'm passing if, logical test result or result if false. Okay, for example, if this value is satisfying your condition, what you want to get? If not, what? Okay, now here I have to pass this column name. Okay, what is the column name here? Value. If value, the value coming from which table? Energy consumption table only, right? From energy consumption table the value is coming, correct? I'm trying to drag this. Okay, this one. Okay, click here. So still we didn't fulfill our requirement. If energy value greater than or equals to 4,000. Okay, greater than or equals to 4,000. If it is greater than or equals to 4,000, guys, I want that one as a okay. If it is greater than less than or equals to 10,000, it's a low, or it has to be high. Okay, this is my condition. Okay, so what I am giving here is just a simple condition, guys. Simple condition writing. If energy consumption value less than or equals to 10,000, that should be low category. Rest of all values comes under high category. So just if you click on here, you can see here this all high. Okay, this all high, so it's more than 10,000, right, according to this condition. So if I click on, if I filter on this low, you can see this low will filter out the data here which is coming under 10,000. So you can see here, see this all values belongs to under 10,000, right? So you can see here, is it crossing 10,000? Is it crossing? So I'm creating the group here. The values which are coming less than 10,000, the value that should be comes under low group. If the values are going more than 10,000, it has to comes under high value. Okay, is it clear, guys? Any doubts here? How to create?
No, sir.
Okay, now in two categories I've divided, low and high. Now user wants some conditions like this. Okay, if it is a 4,000 to 5,000 low, 5,000 to 6,000 mid, 6,000 to 10,000 highest. If it is going more than 10,000 above, okay, then it has to big value. So like this I want. Okay, the user wants to see like this. Now what I will do, I'll edit this group again. If value is greater than or equals to 4,000, and so, and you have to use this one, guys. Okay, and value this is less than or equals to, what is the condition? 5,000. Okay, less than or equals to 5,000,
Is
I want to consider
and
this
should
as
be
a,
twice, sir.
sorry,
And should be twice.
sorry, your voice is not clear.
You have written and no, sir.
Yes,
That should be twice, two times.
yes, two times you have to take and. Okay, the and symbol you have to consider two times here. Then only it works. Okay, so that is
Oh,
a standards. Now
in
what
all
I am
cases,
doing,
twice you have to use.
R means you have to use, sorry, you have to use R. It's not correct. I'll tell you the R symbol. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now for now you just see this one. If energy consumption value is, if energy consumption value is greater than 4,000 and energy consumption value is less than 5,000, it has to take as a low. Okay, comma, again, if, okay, this is called nested condition, guys, nested. So if you are using multiple times if to satisfy your condition, it's called nested if condition. Okay, if the value, okay, now was this condition we done. Okay, now the value is greater than 5,000, less than 6,000 meter, right? So the value greater than or equals to 6,000 and sorry, and value value less than or equals to 6,000, that should come under mid. Okay, comma, if value greater than or equals to 6,000 and value less than or equals to 10,000 high, rest of all has to come under others. Okay, so you can see this condition, the Power BI will check on this value, correct? On this value column, it will consider, it will go to the each record. The calculated column functionality is, it will check each record, each row, okay? So it will come to this column, it will check under which condition this value is coming. So against to that, it will create a group. So according to this will satisfy this condition. It will satisfy to this condition. So if it is more than 4,000, okay, less than 5,000, it has to come low. Okay, greater than or equals to 6,000 and less than or equals to, this is 5,000, right? 5,000. Okay, this value is greater than 5,000 and less than or equals to 6,000. It should be under mid group. Again, if value is greater than or equals to 6,000 and the value is less than or equals to 10,000, it has to high. The rest of all values comes under others. Okay, so click here. So how many categories we created as per this value? 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, right? So let's see. Go to this filter option. How many values are coming here? High, low, mid, others. Correct? 4 values are coming. 4 values are coming. See, what and all coming others, under others, the value should be more than this, right? More than 10,000 values it is. Okay? So if you click on mid, so what is a mid condition here? It should be greater than 6,000, less than 6,000, greater than 6,000. So you can see, correct? So it's creating a group, right? According to the value, correct? Now, I want to present this data in chart. Okay? Now go to the report view. So in detail page. Okay, I'll create one more page here. Okay, I'll take one new page. Go to the field. Okay, so we created under this energy consumption, right? Go here. First take a visual. So the visual has to take a pie chart for my requirement. Now, in the legend, you can see when I'm selecting this pie chart, legend values are opening. Okay, under the legend, I'll take value group. 4 values are coming, correct? Group is 4 types of group. So this value I'll take under the value. Okay, now you can see here 4 types of legends, that is other, mid, low, high. Okay, others are more, correct? You can see others are more. If you click on this, high are this. If you click on this, low is this. If you click on this, mid is this. So it's considering colors also. It's considering colors also here. So for others, this is a color. For mid, this is a color. So if you click on mid, you can see this is mid. Okay. If you click on this, it's highlighting which color is belongs to. It's highlighting here, right? Low. If you click on this, high. Okay, it's highlighting it. So if you go to the focus mode, you can see guys, 4 types of legends are coming. Okay, others, mid, low, high. So this all occupied value is high. Sorry, high, other, this one. Okay, you can see this color, purple color is coming, right? This is others. This sky blue is coming for a high. This blue color coming for low. This orange color coming for mid. Okay, so this is a value. You can go back to your normal report. Okay, now you can see here, this is how I'm presenting. So if the data is not clear in this pie chart, you can convert this pie chart into this stacked column chart. You can see this is other value, this is mid value, this is low value, this is high value. Okay, so according to the values, you can see mid is this, this. Okay, so if I count again, it's doing sum. If it is count, okay, if it is count, you can see the values which and all coming under this condition, how many it is. Okay, so what I am doing here, so others are there, right? So I want to count how many high values are there. So what it will do, it will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. It will count the record against to high. Okay, so this chart, in this chart I am presenting, other values are 1181 are there, low values are 168, mid values are 147, 88. Okay, the small example here, you have students. Okay, for example, you have students. The students are scoring the marks, okay, in each subject. Okay, so I want to know for example, I have student column here. Here total marks. So student A out of student B, student C, student D, student E, student F. Okay, in 10th standard, out of 500, they scored this much marks. Okay. Okay, so like this, they scored the marks. So I want to categorize these columns. I mean the total marks on which group they are coming, A or B, like that. So I'll create one new calculated column here. So that I can say grade. Okay, I'll create a grade column by using calculator. I give the condition here for the grade. If marks is okay, if the marks is, I'll write the condition here. If total marks is column greater than or equals to 300 and total marks less than or equals to 400, that has to come for C category. Okay, C grade. Again, if total marks greater than or equals to 400 and total marks less than or equals to 500, okay, it has to come B category. Okay, again, total, if total marks greater than or equals to 500 and total marks less than or equals to 600, it has to come A category, I mean A grade. So according to this condition, here you can check. So it will check this condition on which grade these marks are coming. So according to this, is a less than or equals to 500, greater than 400 means B grade, correct? B grade. Next, for 450, on which under which it's coming, this 450 also coming under this category, B grade. B grade. This is coming greater than 500, less than 600 means this is comes under A category. This one comes under B category. This one comes under B category. This one comes under A category. If there is a one more student, the total marks is 350. Okay, which under which category it will come? C category, right? C grade. Correct? According to this condition. So this column name I am giving grade, right? Grade equals to I am giving, correct? So this is a grade. This column name. The grade is a column name, calculated column name. According to this condition, it will assign grade against to this number, correct? Each row number. Is it clear, all of you? The same thing we have done here against to this value. Okay, is it clear, all of you?
Sir.
So if you want, I can provide this in a chart. You can practice this one. Very important, guys. They will ask you how to create the buckets. Okay, take this one. Any doubts here? How to create the bucket with the if condition?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, now I'm presenting my data like this. Now, this is Power View, Data View, Model View, and a Pivot. Okay, Pivot Table also Model View. Okay, Pivot Table nothing but this modeling part. Here, when you go to the transform data, it will go to the Power Query editor, which is called Power Query. Okay, so here guys, in the View tab, in the View tab, your data will be presenting like this. Okay, your data presenting like this. Okay, you can see here whatever we created in data view, whatever we created in data view, it won't come to transform data. Okay, it won't come. So whatever you are creating here, it won't come in. You can see in transform data, you can see in transform data we created one conditional column, right? In this table it's not coming here because there is a limitations in data view under transformation power query. The data views, like, it won't, this power query editor, it won't allow to add that new calculated columns here. But this power query editor, whatever you will add the columns here, it will take everywhere. Okay, because this is a master means this is a main page guys. Power query editor is a main page, because whatever changes you will do in a power query editor, it will be available everywhere. But whatever you do in data view, it won't come back to power query editor, but it will be available. This will be available, this will be available, but this new added column, it won't come in transform data, it won't come in transform data. And there is some common actions you can see here. For example, I don't, for example, if I try to duplicate this column, okay, I want to duplicate this column, okay, in data view. If you right click here, okay, is it duplicate column is available here? No, I want to duplicate this energy type column, okay, so I can't, but I can delete the column, okay, I can delete the column. The same functionality available in Power Query Editor. Go to the transform data. Power Query Editor nothing but a transformation. So you can see, you can click this, right click, remove. Okay, remove option is here, delete option is there. Okay, and you can duplicate the column here, but you are not able to get this option. Okay, there is some common options are there guys in the Power Query Editor. In data view, there is some common options: remove, here, there, delete. Okay, so you can see I cannot duplicate this column, but I can delete the column. Okay, whereas in Power Query Editor I can duplicate. You can see I can duplicate the column in Power Query Editor, but I can't duplicate the column in data view. Okay, and you can see I can rename the column. There also I can rename the column. See, I can rename the column. So you can compare the functionalities, what and all it's available. So here, by using new column, I can add to the new column to this. okay, in data view, whereas in Power Query you have to use, so I don't want this column, I duplicate one, right, this one, remove. Okay, so here by using new column I can add my table in Power Query editor. If you want to add the new column, you have to go to the new column. Okay, there is a custom column from example, these are available. Okay, in interview they'll ask you what is calculated column, what is custom column. Okay, what is calculated column? So you can see here, if you click on new column, okay, if you click on new column, the column will add to your table. So the column name I am giving, for example, mm, what I can create here. Okay, from this date I want quarter. Okay, so there is a, okay, there is a quarter already, so that is not coming. So I'll give quarter test, the name called quarter test equals to quarter. So next quarter I'm giving. Okay, next quarter I'm giving. In the next quarter I want to provide the date column, right? This is the date, the date coming from this table, energy consumption table, this table. Okay, close. So it's showing error, it's showing error, so I applied the filters here. So it's showing the error because from this table column, date table column, I'm trying to get a next quarter which is not supporting, which is not supporting. If you click here, it's showing a table of multiple values was supplied where a single value was expected. Okay, so if I provide next quarter means what? So here January coming in first quarter, right? January coming under first quarter. So whenever you are working with the new calculated table, I mean column, it will expect each row result. Okay, so if I pass it here, quarter. Okay, so that date column I am passing, for example, the date column coming from energy consumption table. Just close this. Now this is perfect because the Power BI looks each record. So this January coming under first quarter and this February coming under first quarter, this March coming under first quarter, this April coming under first quarter, second quarter. Okay, now, so this is called calculated column. Whereas in Power Query editor, whereas in Power Query editor, there is no calculated column. There is a custom column. Okay, there is a custom column. If you click on this custom column, see it will open like this. Okay, the custom column available in Power Query editor, the calculated column available in data view. Okay, the calculated column available in data view, the custom column available in Power Query editor. So what is the difference? So in data view, calculated column calculated measures works on DAX functions. In Power Query Editor, custom column works on M language. M language nothing but a mashup language. Very important, guys. Okay, this custom column, anything, whatever you do here changes, it will generate the code. It will generate the code on M language. M language nothing but a mashup language. For example, for example, we can see here in data view. In data view, I want to concatenate this building and energy type. Okay, I want to concatenate. Concatenate means I want these two columns as a one column. Okay, so how I'll do it? New column. So in new column I'll write building and the okay, so equals to concatenate. Okay, you can use concatenate function. So it's expecting text 1 and text 2. The text 1 is building, comma, text 2 is energy type. Energy type, close. Okay, so what I am doing, these two columns I am creating as a one column by using concatenate function. If you click here, see guys, so water, building, water, building, water, building, water. So these two columns I made it as a one column in data view by using calculated column. Okay, now if you go to the Power Query Editor, same thing I want to implement. Building and energy type I want to make it as a one column. So is there any calculated column is there? You can see, is there any calculated column is available here? No. So you have to go to the data add column. You have to click this custom column. So you can see custom column. So I want to make building and energy type as a single column. Click on this building. Next. And in double quotation, I want hyphen and I want energy type. Okay, you can see here. So how it's doing? This building and water is coming like this. Now this is called mashup language case. Okay, this Power Query Editor works on mashup language. If you want to check how the program done, go to the advanced query editor. You can see it's created one code, added custom column, table dot add column, removed column, custom each this condition. This is called mashup language, and you no need to learn this language, guys, because whatever custom columns you are creating, automatically Power Query Editor will generate the source code. You are doing functionally here, but in background it's converting as a code. Okay, that is called mashup language. So click here, go to the advanced editor. You can check whatever transformation you applied on this table, the transformation available in this advanced query editor. See, because the Power Query editor generally it works on mashup language. Mashup language means M language. Okay, its own language it is. Okay, it will understand through that language only. So you are doing generally what you are doing. You are going to the custom column, add column. You will click on custom column. So it will show you. Okay, add a column that is completed from the other columns. Okay, so it means on which table currently you are in. So I am currently in energy consumption table. Whatever energy consumption table columns are there, that column will be available here. Okay, now you can see here I added this column, right? I can rename this column like bill hyphen energy. Okay, now here I added the column in data view. This column not coming in Power Query editor, but this column will come to data view. Now you can see here I created this custom column. Go to the file, close and apply. Apply changes. See guys, this column we added in Power Query editor. This column we added in data view. This column is not coming calculated column, but whatever you are doing the transformation data in Power Query editor, that columns are coming because this transform data nothing but a Power Query editor is a master. So here only we do all the transformations, right? This all transformations will come everywhere. Okay, so in real time most of the cases you will work on Power Query editor. If you want some basic level means if you want to add any new calculated columns against to your condition, so we just added this group, right? So such conditions you can add there also in Power Query editor also you can add. Okay, so this condition we created this much, right? This condition we created this much, right? Whereas in Power Query editor, for example, energy consumption. Okay, so here add column. Here conditional column is the red. Under the add column, conditional column is the red. Click here. You can see we are writing in data view with if condition. In conditional column in Power Query editor is showing by default if condition. Okay, the new column I want to give as a group. The new column name I want to present as a group. Now if column name, so on this value I created the bucket, right? The group. Same way the column I'm taking here energy, a value. You can see greater than or equals to 4000. Then this is comes under low. Again you can add one column. Again you can add one condition if value less than or equals to 5000, that is also low. Again you add the column condition if value greater than or equals to 5000, that is mid. Again if value less than or equals to 6000, mid. Rest of all others. You can see guys, Here I filtered data somewhere. So I created this group. If you want to edit this group, you can go to conditional column settings here. So if value is greater than 4000, then low. If value is less than equals to 5000, this also should come low. Value is greater than 5000, then mid. Again this is the value. So this is not satisfied. You can delete the here. So for now I'll keep less than 20,000 low. Rest of all comes under others. Okay. So we're writing the condition there in data view with the if condition. Okay. We're writing the code here, whereas in Power Query Editor, automatically this conditional column it's presenting if condition. Okay. Is it clear? All of any doubts here? The difference between Power Query Editor and data view. In data view also you can add the columns. In Power Query Editor also you can add the column. But the difference here is in data view you can add the calculated column. In Power Query Editor you can add the custom columns and conditional columns. Okay. Custom columns also works on M language. Whatever you do here, it comes under M language. Is nothing but a mashup language. Okay, you no need to write any code here. Okay, automatically Power BI will generate the code here, but you have to select the perfect column. So in Power Query Editor, there is a some properties you have to use generally. Okay, see in add column you have column from examples, custom columns. This will use very rare. Okay, conditional column, index column, duplicate column. For example, custom this column from example. For example, so I'll go one by one here. Currently, I'm in add column tab. Okay, so my requirement here is from this building. From this building, I want only number. I don't want this B. So building name is right. I don't want that B. So what I will do, I'll select this column, click on this column from example, from selection. So this is in selection mode. From selection, you can see this adding one new column when I click on this option. So I'm focusing on this building, right? So manually you have to enter here 1000. Okay, so it means it will ignore the B value, it will give the number until unless you are getting correct value. Okay, again I'm giving 1000. If you click on OK, now you can see here it will ignore the B, it's giving the number. You can see it's ignoring the B, it's giving the number. Okay, example means on what column you want to be do the transformation, it will show you that it will predict what user is expecting. I mean what the developer is expecting. According to that, it will present the value. If it is fine for you, you can click on OK means it will give the output. For example, here I have building and energy. Okay, select this from selection. It will ask you to write what you are expecting from this. Okay, from this. So what I will give here, 1000 hyphen water. Okay. So it will try to predict like, again here expecting 1000 and electricity, 1000 and gas, 1001 water, like that. So still it's not predicting what you are expecting. So go to the, see here, 1000 water. So it is ignoring B, right? So for example, if you give 3000 hyphen, okay, you want only this. And I don't want this water, electricity and all, okay? Still it's not expecting. So again you have to give 1000, sorry, B 1000 hyphen. See guys, it's predicting the values right here. I want only these values. I don't want this water, electricity, gas and all. Now it's predicting correct. Make it okay. See. Any doubts here?
Sir, after delimiter, can you tell once again?
Sorry?
After delimiter, can you explain again?
Okay. So I'm deleting this. Remove. I'm deleting this one also. Okay. Now, for example, I want this date only till 01-01. I don't want this 2016. Okay. I want only from this date column 01-01. This only I want. Okay. So go to the, you have to select that column from example from selection. So on that only you want to be transformed, right? So from selection. Now you have to give the matching data which is available here so that it will predict the rest of values. Okay. Prediction means automatically it will try to convert what you want. 01-01 I'm giving, which is matching to this. I want only this. I want only this 01-01 in this new column. So let's see, is it predicting here? So predicting right here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's predicting. So Power BI query editor understand the user, the developer looking only 0101. Yes, 0101 it's high. The rest of things also I'm expecting same. Okay. Now you understand the Power BI query editor also understand. So we are getting the rest of values also like this. Okay, except hyphen here. So click OK. You can see now.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this one will use very closely in real time. Okay, column from example. So what column you want, that column you have to select, then the stuff. Now from this I want only B1, only I want one digit and one text B1, and here we have okay, for example I want only three digits. Okay, after this B, digits I want 100 like that I want. Okay, so select this column, go to a column from example from selection mode. So what I will give here, B100. Okay, now still it's not predicted, still it's not predicting. So what you are looking, again go to the next row, you can check. See, this is not I'm expecting, right? This is not I'm expecting. I'm expecting only three digits only. That is B100. It should come here, right? So again, B 100. So check. Now it's coming, correct? Now it's coming.
Sir.
So I'm expecting only B1, 3 numbers I'm expecting. So you can see, so we are getting expected results. Click on OK. Okay, with help of this column from example, we can generate the columns. Okay, is it clear? I'll give the name here, building number. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so this is how you can do. So in tomorrow's session, we'll discuss all those things from Power Query Editor. All whatever in real time we'll use, that I will show you in tomorrow's session. Any doubts here?
Sir,
Yeah.
from the building column, if I wanted to take B and then last one digit, is it possible? One digit or digits?
From this.
Yeah.
So
First
you,
alphabet and last digit.
okay, try it. We'll try. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Also, you have to select this. Go to the add column, column from example. So I am expecting B. In last digit you want, right?
Last one digit.
Okay. B0 I am giving. Okay. Now, still it's not predicting. Still it's not predicting. Again I will give B0. Still it's not predicting. Now you can see B1, B1, B2. Yeah, it's predicting right here. You can see.
Yes, sir.
Click OK. It's predicting as you want.
Yes, sir. I got it. Got it, sir.
B1 7, right?
Yes, sir.
B1 7, 7, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So with help of this, you can generate. Now you can see what code it's generated. You can see what code is generated. So here you have to click on this column. Here advanced query editor is there, right? Advanced editor. If you click here, so what it has done in the last step, you can see it's replaced. So table dot column, renamed column S2, replaced each text, replaced building 100 space double quotation text. So whatever functionally you are doing, it's converting into code. That code is nothing but a M code, M language. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
functionally you are doing here, behind the code is running. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we'll discuss this Power Query Editor in tomorrow session because very important guys, this one. Okay. So please practice and check. For example, select this column, right click. So what options you are getting here, you can check. Go to the data view, right click here. You can check whatever columns are coming, which columns are common in this data view in Power Query Editor view, check. Okay, what columns are it supporting? I mean, what options are it supporting? For example, if I right click here, these options are available. If I right click here, okay, I am selecting this building. If I right click on this building, these options are coming. If I right click here in the building, these options are coming. Check what and all options are common in both data view and Power Query Editor. Okay, tomorrow we'll discuss. All of you, this is kind of what is called scenario. Okay, for all of you, go to the data view, select any table. In the particular table, select any particular column. Check how many options are similar from data view and Power Query Editor. Okay, these options I want which and all similar in both screen. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is the exercise for you guys for today's session. I want how many options are available similarly in both screen I want.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
I want this in tomorrow session or in group also you can present it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. We'll catch up on tomorrow session. We'll go to Power Query Editor and we'll see the futures all. What and all we can do here. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thanks, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.